In our last video tutorial, we learned how to calculate the square root of a square number by long division method. The video link to the tutorial is given in the description box below. Please watch that tutorial first so that you can understand this one because both the tutorials are closely connected. Okay, in this video tutorial, we are going to discuss the square root of decimals by long division method. Okay, now we have a number here 17.64, and as we have done earlier, we have learned this thing that first you draw this horizontal line, then this vertical line, okay, and on the horizontal line, and then make the pairs. It's very important for decimals. When you are taking the integral part, that is this 1/7, you start from this rightmost digit, that is from the ones place. So you make pairs 7 and 1. So this is in pair. Put a bar. Now when you take this decimal positions, that is tenths and hundredths, start from the leftmost digit, that is from here. Start making pairs from here, that is 6, 4. So 6 and 4. You'll understand it's important later in our discussion when we'll take some large numbers. Then you'll understand that why do we start pairing from the rightmost digit in the case of integral part, but from the leftmost digit in the case of decimal part. Okay, now what number should we write here whose square is either equal to or less than this 17? Clearly 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Then you subtract it, you get 1. Now place this decimal point here and write this 6, 4 here. So 6 and 4. Now 2 times 4 is 8, right? 2 times 4 is 8. Now blank space here. What digit should we place here such that we get a new number, and when we multiply this new number with the same digit that we have placed here, we get a number equal to or less than this one. So clearly this, in this case, if you put 2 here and then you multiply the same new number with 2 only, you get 164. So 82 times 2, you get 164. Subtract it and you get the remainder 0, right? So your square root of 17.64 is equal to 4.2. I'm again repeating, please watch that tutorial first. We have discussed in detail how to take the square root of, how to find the square root of a square number using long division method. Here we have 12.25. First this horizontal line, then this vertical line, then this one. Start pairing 2 and 1 from the rightmost digit in this case of integral part, and then 2 and 5 in this case, from 2 and then 5. Okay, now clearly 3 times 3 will be 9, because if you do 4 times 4, if you find the square of 4, you'll get 16. That is greater than 12, not possible. Now 12 minus 9 is 3, right? Then 2 times 3 is 6, write it here and place this blank space here. Write this 2, 5 here and place this decimal point here, right? Okay, now what digit can we place here such that we get a new number, so that we get a new number such that when we multiply that new number with the same digit that we are placing here, we get a number that is equal to this one or less than this one. Clearly, if you place here 5 and again multiply this new number with 5, you get 5 times 5, 25, and you get 325. It means you will put 5 here. Here you will get 5. You get 325. Subtract it and you'll get the remainder 0. Since you are getting the remainder 0, therefore it means that this is a square number. So the square root of 12.25 is equal to 3.5, right? Now we have a large number. Okay, now we have a large number, and let's do this. We don't know whether it is a square number or not. Let's try to find out the square, whether it's a square number or not, and if it is a square number, then what is the square root of this number? So this horizontal line and then this vertical line. right? Start pairing from here. So sorry, from 6 and 8, 2 and 5, and then 1, because we have to place the bar here. From 6 and 0, 2 and 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now clearly this is 1, so if you place 1 here, so 1 times 1, you get 1. Subtract it, you get 0, right? Now this is 5 and 2. 2 times 1 is 2, right? The next step is you multiply this with 2. Okay, now you have 52 here, you put a blank space here. So what number should we multiply this, like what digit should we place here such that we get a new number, which when multiplied with the same digit that we place here, you get a number that is either equal to this one, 52, or less than this one. So if you put 2 here, you get 44, right? So you put 2 here, and then this 2 here, you get 44. You subtract it, you get 8. Okay, now you have 8. Now we have 12 here. Twice of 12 is what? 24. Very good. Place a blank space here. You have 8 here. Now put this number, these two digits, that is 86, below this bar here. So 886. Right. Now this is 24 and a blank space. What digit can we put here such that we get a new number, and to which this new number, if you multiply the same digit, you get a number that is either equal to or less than this one. So you have 886 here, and if you multiply this number with 3, you get 9, 12, and then 729. Okay, so 729 is okay. So put 3 here and this 3 here, you get 729. You subtract, so you get 16, 9 is 7, 7, 2 is 5, and this is 1. We have 157. Okay, now this is decimal point. Put this decimal point here. This is 660. Now write 60 here. Okay, now twice of 123 is what? 246. So write 246 here and put the blank space here. Now we have 246. What digit should we place here such that we get a new number? What digit should we place here such that we get a new number to which when we multiply with the same digit, we get a number that is either equal to or less than this one. So this is 15,760. If you try with 5, you get 5 times 5 is 25, 2, 5, 6, 30, 32, 3, 5, 4, 20, and 3, and 2, 5 to 10, and 12. It means that we can take one more try. We should go with 6. So write 6 here and then 6. 6 times 6 is 36, 3. 6 times 6, 36, 39, 3. 6, 4, 24, 27, and 2, 1, 14,796. So you write 6 here and then 6 here and then 14,796. When you subtract it, you get so here 4, and from here you get 6 and then 9. Okay, so we have 964 here. Now you have 2, 3 here. So write 23 here, okay, 23 here, and 2 times of 1, 2, 3 and 6. Ignore this decimal point when you're taking twice of this. So write 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 617. 2, 4 and 2472. So write 2472 here and leave the blank space here. Now this is 2472 here, and if you multiply this 2472, what, and blank space here, what digit should we place here such that we get a new number, and to which if you multiply the same digit with that new number, you'll get a number that is either equal to or less than this one. So this is 96,423, this is 24,702 here something. So we can take it 3 times, try it with 3 times. You get 9, 6, 3, 7, 21, 2, 3, 4, 12 and 14 and 1. You get 74,169. Can we take 4 times here? No, we cannot take 4 times. So you'll have to go with 3 times. So you get 74,169, right? Now subtract it. So you get 13 minus 9 is 4. Then 11 minus 6 is 5. Then you have here 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Right? Now we have left with 2, 1. Write 2, 1 here. And then twice of this 1, 2, 3 and 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6, 3. Twice of it, you get 6, 12, 7, 4 and 2. So you have 2, 4, 7, 2, 6 and blank space here. Now here you have 22,25,421. Okay, and we have 24,726 and something will come here. So if you multiply this 24,726 by 9, then you get 9 times 9 is 81, 8, 9 6 is 54, 62, 6, 9 to 18 and 6 is 24 and 2, 9 7 63 and 65 and 6, 9 4 36, 42 and 4, 9 2 18 and so clearly we are getting this number. So this is 2225421 when you multiply this with 9. So here you get the remainder as 0. So what's the square root? The square root of this number is this one, 123.639. Now one very important point that we have to discuss that will make your that doubt clear. Why do we start from this leftmost digit in the case of decimal point? Here you have 117.311. So when you will make pair, first this one, and then since we don't have any pair here, we'll simply put this bar above 1. But in this case, when you start from here, you have 3 1. Now you cannot simply place the bar here, right? So what you have to do is, in this case, first you add 1 0 here, and now you have to place this bar here, and now you take this square root of you try to find out whether this number is a square number or not. If it is a square number, then your remainder will be 0. If it is not a square number, your remainder will not be 0, right? So in that case, this is the importance of why we start making the pair or placing the bar from the leftmost digit in the case of decimal part. I'm leaving this calculation for you. You have to calculate this one and check whether this number is a square number or not. If it is a square number, then what's the square root? If it is not a square number, then what's the remainder? I leave this one for you, but remember this point. Always when you are pairing or placing the bar, start from the rightmost digit, that is a ones place in the case of integral part. But when you are dealing with this decimal part, always start from the leftmost digit, that is from this tenths place.